2024 was touted as being the year where all the world's leading tech manufacturers were going to show off some of the best innovations in display panel technology, including the much anticipated arrival of 4K quantum dot OLED panels on devices like gaming and productivity monitors. Well, do I have something for you? Just this week at CES, Dell and Alienware announced the arrival of the AW2725DF 27-inch 360Hz quantum dot OLED gaming monitor and the AW3225QF 32-inch 4K quantum dot OLED gaming monitor as well. Now, if you were at TwitchCon in October of last year, you would have noticed that Dell did somewhat of a soft launch / low-key reveal for both of these monitors, where they sort of showed off the aesthetics and hinted at what might be to come in the future, but didn't give too much away. Well, today I can tell you a whole lot more about why these two monitors have the gaming world in a bit of a buzz right now, because I've had both of them for the last month or so and I've had a bit of time to play around with them. And when I say they are impressive, first up, we have the 27-inch model. Now, Dell has categorized the AW2725DF as the perfect combination of competition-ready speed with astounding color performance thanks to that quantum dot OLED technology. So it looks like something for fanatical gamers who demand both super fast frame rates and fantastic color performance. The quantum dot OLED panel technology enables stunningly rich color and clarity in QHD or 2560 by 1440, and it has an infinite contrast ratio and VESA display HDR True Black 400. Now, this allows for deeper blacks and stunning brights, all within the same scene. As you can probably tell right here in this Forza Horizon 5 gameplay running on my Alienware X16. And of course, you'll get excellent color performance with DCI-P3 99% color coverage and Delta E2 accuracy for true-to-life visuals, as well as hardware-based TUV certified Comfort View Plus. Now, this reduces blue light emissions without sacrificing any of that stunning color reproduction. Now, with this 27-inch model, speed is the real highlight. There's no doubts about it. It features a ridiculous 360 Hz refresh rate, which translates to superb motion clarity, empowering players to see and react to in-game situations at high speeds. There's a 0.1 millisecond gray-to-gray response time that virtually eliminates blurring and ghosting and keeps the latency to an absolute minimum. And with AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and VESA Adaptive Sync for tear-free, stutter-free visuals, you can start to see why this is appealing to the performance gamer category. Aesthetically, this is a very gamer-centric design, and it's everything you would expect to see from an Alienware device in 2024. You've now got this minimalized hexagonal base and a sleek monitor head design. The Alien Vision overlays gives players visual options to play around with and customize their gaming performance. And on the topic of customization, the AW2725D features a 3-zone Alien FX lighting system for that true-to-form premium Alienware look and feel. For connectivity, you've got the power connector input, 2 super speed USB 5 gigabit per second USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, the joystick, a super speed USB 5 gigabit per second USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port with power charging, the Kensington security lock slot, HDMI port, and 2 display ports. Now, if you're working through several different projects at once or need to constantly switch throughout tabs, having multiple desktops on your screen can make it easier to manage everything. Having multiple desktops allows you to separate your tasks into different places, which can be especially handy if you need to multitask. Designating a desktop for each project you're working on can make it less overwhelming to look at your screen. And instead of sifting through a never-ending collection of browser tabs, clicking between tools and apps all the time, you can just simply switch desktops to keep everything in its own place. With Windows 11, you can customize the backgrounds for each desktop and rename them based on their functions. And customizing your desktops can help you differentiate them with ease when you need to flip through your screens. And multiple desktops are also helpful with separating work matters from personal activities like entertainment and games to keep you focused when you need to work and stay on track. Stowing your streaming and gaming apps away in another desktop keeps them out of sight and out of mind as you work. And when you're ready, switch back over and jump straight back into your favorite game. It's that easy. Now, on to the big show. Alienware has left no stone unturned in delivering what they call the ultimate visual experience. The AW3225QF is a 32-inch, 240Hz curved 4K quantum dot OLED gaming monitor with Dolby Vision that empowers gamers to take the full and complete advantage of their high-end gaming hardware. Now, when I say gaming hardware, that doesn't just mean PC hardware, because this monitor right here has actually been designed to also work perfectly with today's next-gen gaming consoles like the Xbox Series X that I have connected to this monitor over here. It packs a full 4K resolution, which delivers incredible detail on these new quantum dot OLED panels. Infinite contrast ratio, again, same as the 27-inch model, with Dolby Vision and VESA Display HDR True Black 400, DCI-P3 and 99% color coverage, and Delta E2 accuracy for vivid lifelike colors, hardware-based TUV certified Comfort View Plus, and a 1700R curved screen for greater eye comfort and visual immersion. Again, this is not only aimed at PC gamers, but also next-gen console gamers, or maybe if you're like most of us who enjoy both. So maximum compatibility is a no-brainer, with support for high bandwidth HDMI 2.1 FRL that allows for 4K at 120 Hz, variable refresh rate support, and an auto low latency mode on next-gen gaming consoles. There's a dedicated console mode that implements source-based tone mapping for optimized HDR performance on gaming consoles, and eARC compatibility lets you connect your favorite Dolby Atmos speakers and soundbars. Similar to the AW2725DF, aesthetically, it's Alienware through and through. I mean, look at this thing. That's an Alienware monitor. With that iconic, sleek industrial design, 3-zone Alien FX lighting system, and matte finish fully adjustable stand. For connectivity, we have the power connector, security lock slot based on the Kensington security slot, the joystick, 2 super speed USB 5 gigabit per second USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, a super speed USB 5 gigabit per second USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port with power charging, HDMI ARC port, HDMI 2 port, and a display port. So it looks like Alienware are gearing up for a monumental year, absolutely massive. Straight out the gates in 2024, we get both the 4K quantum dot OLED gaming monitor in the AW3225QF and the 360Hz quantum dot OLED gaming monitor in the AW2725DF. Let us know what you think of them in the comments below, and also let us know if either of these two new monitors look like something you would be interested in buying this year.